In this video, I'm installing a set of LED taillights that I picked up from Facebook Marketplace, actually, really cheap, along with some other stuff. Pretty simple install. I mean, sometimes it can be a little tricky getting the LEDs to actually work, but I got a smoked lens to match the front headlights I put in the truck, which are also like a smoked lens. You can see here I'm just removing the old taillight, which is fairly simple. It's just four Phillips head screws, two on each side, pops right out, and then each bulb twists out. I've already put a LED reverse light bulb in it, and these taillights already have a socket wired on to them that will plug right into the existing socket where the original brake light bulb went. Here you can see a good side-by-side comparison between the two. They're basically the same light, except one just has a black lens. Depending on what state you live in, you're not able to run tinted headlights or taillights like this. You're not supposed to be running them in the state that I'm in, but I run them anyway. I've yet to get pulled over for them, but I really like the look of them. Right here you can see I got them both installed. It's I mean, these are a cheap light. I'll put it to you that way. These are pretty much just like a basic LED strip that's placed in them. You can see here I got the reverse lights and stuff on. I got the flashers and everything working properly. It took a little bit because I had to make sure the pigtails were both correct. And you also need to make sure you need to run a heavy-duty flasher, which mine's right here in a fuse panel on the dash. I happen to have one at the house, actually. The little ones, or the stock ones, not really capable of working with the LEDs. This one is a little big, as you can see here. The cover doesn't quite fit. I can get snapped on, but it doesn't quite fit, so I might have to relocate it later on. Here's a quick little overview of the headlights that I have in it, which are the cheapest lights I could possibly find. I think they were like 88 bucks through Walmart. I really like the look of them, but you cannot see anything hardly at night. And to get them adjusted remotely close to where I can see the road, the gap with the headlight door is just horrible. And if you adjust the headlight to where it lines up with the headlight door, then it is pointing at the ground. But other than that, this is just all for this video, and again, thanks for watching.